Smith. It's just ripping through New York.
Today we got a little present for the Mustang, something that's been needing really bad ever since I put the supercharger on the car. Ended up melting the catalytic converters, which typically happens when you force induction in the car and all that. So went and ordered the Pypes cat delete and then the X pipe, the 3-inch, so I was going to upsize it a little bit too, help it flow better. But got that in, so we're going to go over to my buddy's house. He's got a their lift and everything, so we can get up under it, because this would not be fun laying on my back with jacks and everything. So we're gonna head over there and try to get started on this. I know everybody says it's pretty not exactly the easiest thing, unbolting these the 4 bolts and everything. So hopefully we can get it knocked out and have this thing running, and maybe it won't be too loud. I know a lot of clips are pretty loud, so hopefully it won't be too loud. But we're gonna head over there and get this all put on there and check it out.
Getting ready to BBK, going with some pipes.
They're probably just locking nuts.
No, it's not turning. Good. Go. Excuse me. You doing good, Chrissy Poo? What she said? Holy hell.
I feel like it. A lot of play in this. Let me see that other one that I brought.
This thing was a Honda. It only had to have 3 wrenches.
I forgot it was a Ford. Yeah. Hey, guess what? You're wrong. It's not a 14.
It's a 16. There we go. Now watch that light.
Getting serious now.
Red.
Woo! Another donkey.
Turning off the impurities.
Now it's on the floor.
Look at that.
You can pull that thing out of there, Greg.
Pull it back.
Yeah.
Nah, I'm over it. We're over it. Look out. I'll let that fall on me. We're over it. Working on Jordan's cousin's Mustang. You know, he's the one that's got that and just got the blower on it. Like 700 horse.
That's some junk right there.
Hey, that worked pretty good, didn't it?
Heck yeah.
We should do that to all 4 of them and just rip these off to begin with. Look at it, dude. Look right here. Look, you can see the rib marks in it where they pumped it in as a rivet. And that's it. It just, yeah, literally just melted the end of it and then pulled it out. Worked pretty good, actually. That's the best way to do it.
Got both of these bastards out. Now we're gonna straight pipe it. No cats.
And the easiest way to do this thing is
Just burn it.
this way. Light those suckers up and rip them out. I wonder how much more power your car is going to have now that it can breathe. I bet you'll gain another 20, 25 horse out of getting those.
Well, you got to realize it's going to be amplified being forced induction too.
That's what I'm saying. And then, but
Well,
see, the other ones are so stopped up.
Bigger too, as well. It's
Well,
going to gain horsepower.
yeah.
Actually, believe it or not, Engine Master did a thing, and they went from 2-inch exhaust to 3-inch exhaust to the power gains, and it was like nothing. They said the difference is because they did it on like it was a naturally aspirated small block.
Forced induction is what I'm talking about.
Yeah, on forced induction, I think
Yeah,
it
you
would.
get more airflow.
Well, everything they were
But see,
telling me that the bigger is better
But
for forced
I'm talking about
induction.
just unlocking horsepower.
Oh,
Think about
yeah.
how much horsepower you lost just from the clogged up
yeah.
cats.
Yeah.
Now you're going to unlock it back. Like, not that you're gaining anything, you're just letting it breathe.
All right.
But they were talking about that, and it was funny because they did it on small block Chevy. They said the only difference is with the 2-inch exhaust, he said they're going to know you have a small block. He said with the 3-inch exhaust, they're not going to know you have a small block.
Yeah.
He's like, they're going to wonder what it is.
Dude, that sounds amazing.
Oh my!
That sounds freaking amazing.
No, it's gonna be that one that you hate.
I know.
Well, yeah, completely installed Pypes X pipe and cat deletes. And I'm going to tell you now, it is super loud, is it not?
It's like,
Holy cow. May end up having to put the factory mufflers back on it, just to flatten it down a little bit.
man,
Heck yeah.
you run it like this for at least.
We're going to drop her down, go for a ride.
Golly, man.
Woo! Woo! What happened, Jordan? Oh, man.
It's, you know what it reminds me of is when Will Smith is just ripping through New York in that GT 500. That's what it sounds like. You know what I'm talking about? And I Am Legend.
I'm legend.
You gonna go ring the doorbell? I don't think you heard us.
Probably not here. There's lots of cars on here.
There he is.
Yeah, that's fine.
Making loud noises. Damn, y'all piled in, ain't you?
Yeah. Grant, get in the back.
Kids,
try
this at home.
So Jordan spun that car out with you in it now too. Okay, so he's trying to kill all of us. He doesn't like any of us.
It's gonna happen. It's gonna happen.
Alright, we're back from the shop. Well, from his shop. Now we're back over at this shop. As you can see, we got it knocked out. So, these right here were super awesome. Ended up, they backed off probably about 5 rounds. And then all of a sudden, it was like it just cross-threaded the threads on the studs. So we couldn't get them off, so we ended up having to take the torch to them, as you saw in the videos and all that. That was the issue that we ran into. And then this is the one that is on the passenger side up against the frame and everything. Everybody said you could use the extensions and get to it from the top of the motor and all. It's real easy. Well, we run the extensions down. Thought it was on there. It was about a quarter of the way on the nut, and it just stripped the end of the nut off. So then we couldn't get anything on it. So I had to come from the back side with the torch and burn the back of the head of that stud off, and then just kind of break it right off. But got them knocked out. Car is super loud. Louder than I expected. I already did have the BBK X pipe on there when I took the factory H pipe off, but it is a little bit smaller than the one we ended up going with the pipes, 3-inch and everything. So definitely got that more race car raspy sound. But yeah, that's what you're gonna have left over when you get these nasty things out. I know they were smelling terrible from where they were melting and everything, but hope you enjoyed the video.